this video, we'll create a wall of cubes. First, I'll name the sphere plane as Sphere Logo Scatter. We can duplicate the previous GeoNode process to create this. Select Sphere Logo Scatter Object and press Shift+D to duplicate. Select the duplicated object and rotate 90 degrees on X-axis. Adjust the location on Y-axis. Adjust the location on Y-axis. Let's append the cube with logos that were created in Chapter 4. Go to File menu and choose Append. Choose Cube Logos Collection. Hide the appended collection. We only need their reference. Select the duplicated plane object and switch to Geometry Nodes tab. Click on the number 2 to create a new node tree copy. In the new node tree, change the collection info to cube logos. We don't need to rotate the cubes for the wall. Hold Command/Control, right-click and drag on the connection. Do the same to random value node to mesh to points. This will sever the connection. Switch to camera view and verify the look. I'll rename the object to Cube Logo Scatter. Adjust the location and the camera view. Since half the cube wall is invisible, we can delete that half. Press / to hide all except cube logo wall. Tab into Edit mode. Press X and select Faces. You have to be in the face select mode for this. Box select the bottom half and press X. Then select Faces in the Delete menu. Tab back to Object mode. Clean up the unused nodes in the GeoNodes editor. Remove unwanted nodes. With random value for scale removed, set X, Y and Z axes to 0.3. This looks good. That's it for this video. See you in the next one.